guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have another advent calendar to show you and I'm so excited. This is the Gun Girl 12-day advent calendar from Armed in Style. Would you like to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, this is the Gun Girl 12-day advent calendar from Armed in Style. I am actually really excited. I stumbled across this one. I now am actually carrying, and you know, we always have to protect ourselves because you never know these days. You always need to protect yourself. So I am actually carrying every day. I have some concealed carry purses I've been showing you guys. I even did an unboxing on my actual firearm to show you guys. So again, since I am actually carrying every day, I thought this would be really cool to bring a Gun Girl calendar to my channel. So I'm really excited. So this is actually how it comes. It's all white. It's kind of hard to see the design on there, but it does say Armed in Style. There's like some snowflakes. There's actually some like gun images, if you can see those right there. It is really cute. It's just kind of hard to see it. And the box, you have this little thing right here, which does have the magnetic closure. It is a really nice box, which you can use for anything. You just put your stuff in it, store things, slide it under your bed if you need to. But I do like the way that the box is constructed. So again, here is the packaging. This here is $149, and it says this year's the first time they're doing free shipping. So it's free shipping. Now, they were actually kind enough to generate my own code. I have purchased dry fire practice pillows from them. And so they generated my own code of SheCrafty to save 10% that you guys can use, I can use. So if you are interested in either the calendar or any of their individual items, you can use SheCrafty to save 10% off. So for this, it says this year's calendar contains over $190 worth of unique and new Armed in Style products. Some are exclusive only to the advent calendar. So let's go ahead and dive in. So again, this is the packaging, which you can reuse the box, or you can repurpose all of these to gift to somebody else if you wanted to refill the boxes for another. But this is how it looks, 1 through 12. Again, the same white on white, so it's kind of hard to see. The one right here is number 1. So let's start with the other one's flipped over. So let's start with number 1. Okay, so we have a 18 karat gold plated necklace. This is definitely not my style. Plus, if you follow me, you know yellow gold is just something I can't stand. I was actually kind of hoping that maybe there would be the, there's like a black, like a titanium or something like that. I forgot what they call the color, but they have the 18 karat gold and then they have the other one, which is like a black titanium or something like that. I was hoping some of that would be in this year, but we have this like fickle, like gold looking necklace. It has Armed in Style's logo here, and then on this side it says you are worth defending. Yes. And then there's a gun at the bottom. So there's the gun, and then it says you are worth defending right there. But again, this is definitely not my style. And yeah, so there's door number 1. Door number 2, it says 2A. We have, it says a cozy 2A mug sweater. A sweater for your mug. So it's like it looks kind of like an ugly sweater print, but there's actually a gun that goes up and down. That is cute. I just personally don't use things over my coffee cups. I drink them so fast that I don't need to like have something else on it. But it is really cute. So I guess if I ever do have a hot one, I could put this on it, I guess. But there's a little mug sweater for your coffee mug or tea mug, whatever tickles your fancy that you drink. Now let's find door number 3. It's this little tiny guy right here. Down in here, we have a ring. It says gold plated adjustable ring wrap, and gold plated right there is already telling me I'm not going to wear it. And then the only thing I see on here is a little tiny, tiny etched little gun right on that top flap. If you could even see that top piece right there, there's a gun right literally there. I don't even know how you would even see that. It's so small. But here's a adjustable, looks just like a simple band ring. But I don't wear gold, so I won't wear that one either. Number 4 is right here. Maybe it's a candle. I see that they have candles on their site. Nope. It's a pair of socks. It says Gun Girl Club. Let me take it out of the plastic. So they are all white with the black checkered on top that has the gun logo, and it says Gun Girl Club, and then Armed in Style says it on the feet, on the bottom of the foot. So you have that pair of socks. Number 5. We have a little keychain, which is gold all over, and it says Club Rolls. Prioritize your safety. Always situationally aware. Treat every gun as if it is loaded. Carry your gun. Train regularly. Support the second. Be armed in style. So those are your gun rolls on one side, and the other side says proud member of the Gun Girl Club. I am worth defending. Number 1776. It is a cute keychain. I just wish it was maybe like blue and silver. But it is pink and gold, the 2 colors that I don't care for. I might put that on my keychain though, just because it does have the Gun Girl and I think it's kind of cute. Even though I don't care for the colors, I might still put that on my keychain, or maybe my backup set, my spare set. So let's go with number 6 is down here. And down in number 6, it says exclusive Christmas gun straw charm. It's black, red, and white. I don't drink out of like those straw type cup things. But there's that. Let's go with number 7 is the big guy right here. This one doesn't feel like a candle either. This one has, let's see. So this is what it looks like. It's all black. There's 2 guns right there. It has a zipper. Is this like a jewelry box? Yes, it is it's a little mini jewelry box, and that's what it looks like down inside. It is really cute because I've seen a lot of these, but they never have like the little hooks and this little, you know, like elastic little part there, and then a thing for rings, and then you can put little things here. But it is all black, and it has, like I said, the 2 guns right there. So this is cute. I don't think I would use it, but I think it's cute. So that was in number 7. Let's go with door number 8. Down inside of here, we have just stickers. Okay. We have just a Christmas tree, which looks like one of those little frosted things that you eat. That's what that looks like to me. Then you have the Armed in Style sticker, which I've placed 2 orders, one for me and my man to have a dry fire training pillow, and I got a free sticker. And then I placed another order for my friend and her husband to get one, and I got another free sticker. So I got this free with my other 2 orders, so I kind of feel like it shouldn't be put in a door. But you have your sticker with a Christmas tree sticker, and then this that looks like the that keychain, which says Gun Girl, but it doesn't have the gold on this. This one's just pink, but that's what that keychain looks like. So I kind of feel like this door was cheated with just a few stickers, but that's my own opinion. Now let's see, what was that? This one was number 8. So number 9, is it this little guy that fell over? I guess, yes. Now we have maybe a patch that looks just like that keychain and that sticker. Yes, you have a patch, and all it says is proud member of the Armed in Style Gun Girl Club, just like I said, just like the keychain and like that sticker, but it is a Velcro patch. Number 10, we have a Barret, which has gold on it, and it has like these 2 little tiny little guns right here, right there. So it looks just like their image, which is right there. And then you have like this Barret with the gold chain on it. Okay, so there's that one. Now let's go with number 11, the biggest one in here. Come on, let this one be a good box. We have a canvas bag. And it's even a small one. It's not even a full-size canvas bag. Wow. And the same thing. Proud member of the Gun Girl Club. That matches the same as the sticker, the same as the patch, and the same as the keychain. But it's not even a full-size bag. All right. You have a small little canvas bag. And the back side looks like this. And the front side looks like that. But yeah, you have this little canvas bag. And then we're gonna go with number 12. Hopefully we got something good in number 12. Ribbon. We have ribbon in number 12. And this was $150, you guys. Oh my goodness. I really think I should have not saw this one. It says Armed in Style, calendar exclusive gift ribbon. So that's something that you won't even use for yourself because it's to gift to a gift. That is crazy. And it's not even like that much on here. Like this should be a whole roll if it's going to be like in my last 12 day. I don't know. Let me show you how much is in here. You ready? That's it. That's it. What are you even going to wrap with that? Like you couldn't even put it around the package. Because you need to tie a bow. So you better have a small little package to use this ribbon. Like, that's ridiculous. I'm sorry. That's ridiculous. If there's guns on it, if you can see that. And it's just like the packaging of the box where it's like the same color on the color. There you go. That side you can kind of see the guns. Yeah, and that's it. You just have this piece. Wow. I think this was the worst calendar I think that I've got. Like, I'm not even kidding. I'm really, really confused why the very last day was this little tiny piece of ribbon that's not even long enough. Like, I can go to any craft store and get a whole roll of ribbon for cheap, you know, like with wire in it. This doesn't even have wire. So you have this little thing of ribbon. You have a half-size canvas bag. You have a patch, a keychain, some stickers, which I think that's ridiculous. You have a barrette. There's a pair of socks, a mug warmer, a jewelry box, and then 2 things of jewelry. The adjustable ring that just looks plain, and then the necklace, which is definitely not my style. Even if it was silver or black, I wouldn't even wear that. So literally the only thing that I'm going to use out of this whole entire $150 calendar is a pair of socks. Wow. So I got myself a nice $150 pair of socks, which just says Gun Girl Club, like everything else says. So what do you guys think? Do you think I wasted my money like I did? Or do you really see a 190 plus value that it says that it has? We don't even have a full-size bag. You don't have a full-size ribbon. On their website, they actually have those large tumblers with all the guns on it. That would have been awesome if they gave you the tumbler and the charm for the straw. Or they have mugs on their site too. It would have been nice if they gave you a mug to go with your mug sweater. I don't know. I'm just really confused because they have so many other cute things, and like what it showed that last year's seems way better. There was like gun paper clips. There was like a journal. It just had like a lot of stuff on it that sounded so much better. So I was so excited. Well, there's that. What do you guys think about my $150 pair of socks? Let me know down below what you thought. I'm just not seeing a $190 value here. I'm just not. And again, I just think they kind of could have did so much better to where they could have made it make more sense. There's candles on their site. That would have been cool to be in here. Like, I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? Comment down below and let me know what you thought about this calendar. If you do want to check them out or any of their products, like I said, I really like my dry fire pillow. But if there is any individual items that you want to utilize that 10% off, you can use that SheCrafty to save the 10% off from their website if you would like. So again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.